Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Authenticator for your Google account, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google account sign-in page. Enter your email address and click Next. Input your password and click Next again. Once you are signed in, locate the Security tab in the left-hand menu. Scroll down to the Signing into Google section. Look for the option labeled Two-Step Verification. Click on Two-Step Verification to proceed. You may need to sign in again for security purposes. Once signed in, find the section titled Set Up Authenticator. Click on Setup to initiate the process. Choose your device type, either Android or iPhone. If you are using a smartphone, download the Google Authenticator app from your device's App Store. After installation, open the Google Authenticator app. You will see an option to begin setup. Select Scan a QR code or manual entry. If you select Scan a QR code, point your camera at the QR code displayed on the Google account setup page. If you chose manual entry, type in the code provided. After the app recognizes the QR code or the manual entry is complete, a 6-digit code will be generated. Return to your Google account setup page and enter the 6-digit code from the Authenticator app. Click Verify to confirm. Once verified, click Turn On to enable two-step verification. You will see a message confirming that two-step verification is now active. Make sure to save your backup codes in a safe place. These codes will help you regain access if you lose your device. To complete the setup, consider setting up additional backup options. Now you are ready to use Google Authenticator for your Google account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.